Hi, this is Abdurrahman Yusuf, and this video is going to present how you can calculate syntax score in an easy and stepwise manner. First, get access to syntaxscore.com, start calculator, choose yes. Syntax score 2 includes syntax score 1, so you need first to calculate syntax score 1, then proceed with syntax score 2. Syntax score 2 includes syntax score 1 together with other lab and clinical criteria. We have to explain 2 points before we start. What's mean by syntax? Syntax, it was a large trial comparing outcome between BCI and with taxes and cardiac surgery, comparing outcome between BCI patient and the CABG patient. Syntax means synergy between BCI with taxes. It's a drug-eluting stent coated with paclitaxel that inhibit microtubule assembly and the cardiac surgery. Next point, you need to understand where syntax in the guideline. In myocardial revascularization guideline ESCA 2018, it was class 1 in left main and multi-vessel disease. So let's proceed with syntax score 1 first. System would ask first question is, what is the dominance? Dominance, it's a mean artery that give BDA. In 85% of population, it's a right coronary artery. So we would like for example proceed with LAD proximal. It's a segment number 6. If you would choose yes in total occlusion, system would further ask you more 6 questions. So let's try with yes. More than 6 months. It's a chronic CTO. Yes. Blunt stump. It's not tapering. Bridging between proximal and the distal to stenotic lesion. Yes. How many segments would you further visualize after stenosis? Like for example, segment 6 only. Side branches less than 1.5. Aortosteal, it's mean first 3 mm. Severe tortuosity, it's mean 3 bends more than 75 degrees. Calcification and geographic. Thrombus, it's a filling defect, maybe linear round. If you would write a comment like diabetes, hypertension, it's not changing the score. So no need for write any comment. Proceed. Diffuse disease and the narrow segment. Yes. LAD proximal. Calculate score. So score would be 28.5. It's intermediate between 23 to 32. It's intermediate syntax score. After we calculate syntax score 1, we can now proceed to syntax score 2, including age like 60, create clearance 60, ejection fraction. Segment was LAD proximal male, no COPD, no peripheral vascular disease. Calculate. BCI 4-year mortality 7.9. Syntax score 2 31.8. This can conclude that high syntax score, higher mortality with BCI, and would further recommend patient to CABG. That was an easy and stepwise explaining the syntax score 1 and 2. Thank you.